Stop paying for AI video generators right now. Seriously, stop. I have found 4 incredible tools that are actually free, and they are blowing the paid ones out of the water. I'm talking about generating unlimited videos, creating up to 10-minute-long clips with a single prompt, and even professional face swapping, all for $0. And you definitely want to watch until the end. The third tool is my personal favorite, while the fourth tool is an entirely new tool in the AI industry, which I'm sure you've not heard of before. If you want to stay ahead of the AI game, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and comment unlimited below so I know to make more videos like this. Now, let's dive straight into the first tool. Welcome! The first tool on our list is Meta.ai. Meta's new video generation capabilities are so outstanding that you won't believe what it can do now. Just so you know, while I haven't done a dedicated video on this specific update yet, there have been a few changes added to this tool. So we are going to create a couple of videos right now to see just how outstanding it is. First of all, I have to click on Create right here. As you can see, I've already created a mix of images and videos with this. To start, I need my prompt. Of course, I'll leave this prompt in the description or the pinned comment so you can check it out. I'll copy my prompt and input it into the prompt box. You need to make sure you have image selected. For the aspect ratio, depending on the kind of video you want to create, you can go for 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. Since this is a YouTube video, I'll stick with 16:9. For the artistic settings, you can actually change a couple of things here, but I normally leave everything as is. This is how I usually do it. I'll hit Send. Meta.ai will start generating 4 different images using just that one prompt. Let's give it a moment to see what we get. Okay, here are the images it generated. Let me click on the first one. Wow, this is beautiful. As usual, it still has the feature where we can restyle this image to something different, like 3D and a whole lot more. But another feature we need to talk about is the Edit function. You can edit the picture with just a single prompt or sentence. For example, let's say I want to add space or add an object. I just have to type Add Grasses and click Send. The new image will start generating. While we wait for that, another thing you can do is animate with lip sync. Initially, they only had Animate, Auto Animation, and Custom Animate. But now they have added a feature where you can actually animate with lip sync. Let's see how that works. With Animate with Lip Sync, you can upload a song for the person in the frame to sing, or you can type text that you want the person to speak in the video. For this example, let me select this particular video and hit Generate. Now, let's go back and check the image we edited. As you can see, we asked Meta.ai to add glasses to the image, and it has done exactly that. Now, I'm going to show you how to swap faces, which is a feature they released recently. I'm going to upload my own AI avatar. Once that's uploaded, I'm going to change the background slightly. I'll type in my prompt for the background and hit Send. Okay, the background has been changed. I think I'll go with this one. Now, I'm going to swap the face. You can browse through available faces or request someone specific, but I'll simply swap my avatar's face with the woman in this image. I'll click Add. Let's give it a moment. Okay, this is funny. My face has been successfully swapped with hers. It's kind of hilarious, you know? Now I'm going to animate this result. I'll also show you another feature I love about this tool. Once the video is done animating, let's check it out. As you know, the default is up to 5 seconds, but the good thing is you can always extend it. I'll come down here and click on Extend. The extension is done. Let's check it out. The video has been extended to 9 seconds, which gives us 4 extra seconds. I believe you can extend it even further, But let's move on to the next AI tool. Next up is a tool that allows you to create up to a 10-minute AI video. Yes, you heard that right, up to 10 minutes with just a single prompt. This is the CapCut AI Video Maker by ByteDance. It's a free AI video maker. If you look down here, you can see videos generated by other creators like you and me. You can create instant AI videos, brainstorm with an AI avatar, or match media to script in one click. I'll simply click on Instant AI Video. As you can see, it has a whole lot of styles: realistic, film, 3D cartoon, movie, photograph, futuristic, biblical, fluffy, urban dreamscape, and more. I have a prompt prepared, so I'll copy it. Now I'll input my prompt here. If you already have a script, you can paste it directly. But if you don't have a script and want the AI to do the heavy lifting, which is what I'm doing, you just input an idea and the AI will generate the script and video for you. For the aspect ratio, I'll leave it on 16:9 since this is for YouTube. If you are creating for Shorts, TikTok, or Reels, you'd want to choose 9:16. For the style, I'm sticking with realistic. This is the most important part, selecting the length. You can select up to 10 minutes, or you can choose 1, 3, or 5 minutes. I'll stick with 10 minutes. Next, choose a voice actor. You can preview them. I chose a deep male voice because it sounds heavy and professional. I like that. Now, click Generate. CapCut will start scripting, create the voiceover, and generate all the media, images, for the scenes. The video is done. It generated all the scenes. It actually gave me an 8-minute video, close enough to the 10-minute max. If you want, you can click on a clip to trim it or replace the media with your own uploads or stock footage. You can even regenerate entire scenes with a new prompt. But honestly, the AI has done everything I need. You can also change the narrator if you don't like the voice, or change the caption style. You can add background music, but I don't want that right now. I'll click on Export. I'll give my file a name. For quality, I'll leave it on Recommended, but you can go up to 4K resolution and 60 FPS. I'll hit Export, and our video will be ready in no time. The next AI tool on my list, which happens to be my favorite, is Grok AI. If you follow Big Wiz Media, you know I'm a huge fan of Grok AI. I'm not going to go through the full tutorial here because I have a whole library of videos on this channel teaching you exactly how to use it. I've shown how to generate amazing long videos with consistent characters using this tool. So please check out those videos on the channel to start creating with Grok AI. Without wasting any more time, let's move to the last but not least tool. My final tool, which I think many of you haven't heard of yet, is Vheer AI. When you come to the website, it says boldly, Free Unlimited AI Image and Video Studio. And this is no cap. This is 100% truth. You can generate unlimited AI videos and images with this tool. They have text to image, image to video, and much more. I'm going to do an image to video. I'll click on that option. First, I have to sign in, so I'll quickly do that. Now I need to upload my image. I'll upload this image I have of a couple at the beach. I can type in my own prompt, or I can give the AI the power to do it. If I click on AI Help, it will automatically insert a prompt for me based on the image I uploaded. You can also add camera prompts to control how the camera moves. I'll stick to the default format. If you want everything to remain free and unlimited, do not select the Pro model or Max model. Just leave it on the standard settings and you can generate unlimited free videos. I'll click Generate. Look at that! They're jumping at the beach. So, if you want to generate unlimited AI videos, these are the 4 tools you can start using right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.